Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best massage gun muscle relaxation deep tissue massager dynamic. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best massage gun muscle relaxation deep tissue massager dynamic for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. A massage gun is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance muscle recovery and relaxation. These deep tissue massagers deliver rapid pulses of pressure to targeted areas, effectively alleviating tension, improving blood circulation, and promoting overall muscle recovery. When choosing a massage gun, consider the power and speed settings. Many models offer multiple intensity levels, allowing you to customize your experience based on muscle soreness or tightness. Additionally, look for attachments designed for various muscle groups. A larger head is great for larger muscle areas, while a smaller tip targets trigger points more effectively. Portability is another important factor. A lightweight, rechargeable massage gun is ideal for travel, enabling you to relieve muscle tension post-workout or during long trips. Battery life is also crucial. Opt for a model that offers extended usage to ensure it's ready when you need it. Lastly, consider user reviews and brand reputation. Investing in a high-quality massage gun can make a significant difference in your muscle recovery routine, helping to prevent injuries and enhance overall performance. In summary, a massage gun is a powerful tool for muscle relaxation, making it a worthwhile investment for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. With the right features and quality, it can elevate your post-exercise recovery and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching the video.